What are three things that Zillow doesn't know about home values in Porter Ranch in the San Fernando Valley? Stay tuned. Hey, Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Hey, today on our video blog, we're talking about the three things that Zillow doesn't know about home values in Porter Ranch and the San Fernando Valley. But before we talk about that, reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. All right, so like so many portals on the internet, that there's a lot of them that they have their own real estate estimate of what your home might be worth. But there's a lot of things that Zillow doesn't really take into account when it comes to the value of your treasured possession, your home. And so the first and most important one is market conditions. So because it's an algorithm, it doesn't actually take into account what's actually taking place in the marketplace. Well, as we've talked about so many times since the beginning of March, that the market is a very strong seller's market. And currently what the closed escrows are actually closing for doesn't reflect of what's actually taking place in the marketplace, because closed escrows are a reflection of anywhere from 45 to 70 days prior, because right now you really need to be focusing on actives and pendings and under contracts. Those are the properties that will give you an idea of actually what's taking place in the actual home marketplace. Well, just to give you an example, the home right behind us, we listed for $650 and it actually sold for $80,000 more than that. And on Zillow, it only showed up as listed to the home value to be listed under $650,000. So again, you know, Zillow, their algorithm doesn't take into account of what's taking place in the market right now. Number two is the tax records. So Zillow basically only goes on based off public information, and a lot of times that's not correct. So in the tax records, it may show up as a 3-bedroom, but you may have a 4-bedroom house. So again, you know, there might be an easement going through your home that may not show up also. So again, things that may not actually show up in the tax records, such as a permanent addition that may add maybe say 500 to 1,000 square feet, that obviously that would affect your home value dramatically. A lot of times will not show up on Zillow. And so unless you add that in there yourself, you know, it's not going to show up. And again, that'll detract from the value that it shows up on their algorithm. And the third and final one, which I think is probably one of the most important, is the renovations. Zillow doesn't know what is going on with your house. Zillow doesn't know if the roof that you have on your home is on its last legs. Zillow doesn't know that you just put in a brand new HVAC system. Zillow doesn't know that you just remodeled your kitchen, or that you have an original home from 1955 where nothing's been touched except the garbage disposal. So Zillow is not able to take all that into account. So if you've done a lot of upgrades to your home, it's a very good chance that Zillow is not going to be very accurate. And this is why I always say it's really important to have a real estate professional. If you want to know the true value of your home, come to your house and actually let you know what your true home value is. So if you want to know what your true home value is, feel free to give us a call anytime, or any other real estate questions, reach out to us, 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And thanks as always for watching our video blog.